Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, LINK, it obviously dipped back into the support area here yesterday together with many other coins which saw a dip. Has recovered currently, or is currently trying to recover from that dip. The dip landed here again at the 38.2 retracement level at around $17.70. We had invalidation of the previous microstructure, but the overall assumption that we could still see further upside in wave 5, even though it's getting challenged, it's not invalidated because we are still holding the support range. Okay, so all we've done is move down into support, move back into support, and the next wave up could still be a wave 5. But in this case now, LINK would have to restart that fifth wave to the upside. It would have to restart it because with this low, we've made a new low below that one from the 23rd of February. Again, no invalidation of the overall scenario. I cannot confirm to you that the larger wave 1 topped anywhere here, for example, because this pullback is too shallow. I mean, if something develops like this, that we say, okay, maybe this was an A, B, C structure of a larger A wave, then we're now doing a bit of a B wave rally, and then we see a C wave down. I mean, is that large enough for all of wave 2? Maybe, depends on how strong the move down is, but basically what I need to see is a more extended corrective structure, and that could then represent our wave 2. At the moment, as you can see, we're still holding support. Obviously, risk has increased to the upside as we have been moving in the fifth wave already, or already moving in this, in this circle wave 5. So it's basically the last wave of that upside cycle there. But the support area isn't broken. Okay, we have had breaks of the micro support levels that indicated, okay, the previous microstructure we were tracking, which already became quite messy here, that got invalidated, but support is still there. So that would need to break next at $16.80. Without a break of that $16.80 level, it's difficult to say that the overall correction in wave 2 has actually started. Okay, so at the moment, I'm still watching for potentially one more high in wave 5. Nothing I'm strongly leaning to, but it is best count I've got because this is overlapping price action. It's not impulsive to the downside. That's very important. Obviously, in addition to tracking support levels, we are tracking the overall structure, and the structure currently suggests still, or at least it allows for further upside to occur from here, because the move down is not a 5-wave move. It looks like a 3-wave move. It doesn't look impulsive. So yeah, I mean, if it's a 3-wave move down, it could be an A wave, of course, but also it could be the completion of a corrective structure that would allow for further upside. So what we normally want to see as really good confirmation that a larger pullback is unfolding, we need to see a 5-wave move below support, and none of that happened. So still, my leaning is towards further upside, but being on the side of caution here, obviously, in this current environment. You know, obviously, until support levels break, focus on higher. What would be next upside targets? They haven't really changed. So still sort of the $24 range would be ideal. And then we have the next level around 26 and 29. So other than a little bit of volatility, nothing has changed really. But obviously, it's getting challenged. But yeah, that's what wave 4s do, right? We sometimes get these overshooting B waves. I think it would actually have to be a WXY structure because the last move down is a 3-wave move, but that doesn't really matter to any trading decisions or so, because a WXY or an ABC, they're both corrective structures, and at the moment, as long as the Fibonacci levels are holding, yeah, nothing is broken. Okay, so that's still unchanged. I don't think we need to make the video any longer. It's just to highlight, once this wave 5 is finally done, the upcoming or the subsequent 3-wave pullback in what would be wave 2 could offer an opportunity to add positions for anybody who is sidelined or would like to wait for a pullback. Now, bear in mind, without a pullback that breaks support, I cannot confirm that a wave 2 is unfolding. So we are still in a bullish market. Direct upside extensions can happen, and further extensions then assumed can also happen. That's quite common in a bullish market. Therefore, core positions can be so helpful to manage that. Yeah. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.